I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WP Funnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WP Funnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Restrict Content for action. Here give the meaningful integration name as you want. Now click Connect. Restrict Content is successfully connected. Click Next. Select the respective action as you want. Select the respective membership level as you want. Now map the field. There is no user map option, so you must submit the form from the user login. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data will be sent. Click Next. Now save the integrations. Now go to another user login page and log in. I have already logged in here. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. Also, go to Restrict Content and check the expiry date is added or not. Here is the data coming into Restrict Content form Bit Integrations plugin. Thanks for watching.